Christ, who said to your apostles, "Peace I leave you, my peace I give you. Look not on our sins, but on the faith of your..."
Hi guys, welcome po sa vlog namin. Hey, hindi ka naman. Dahil parang nasa Baguio lang tayo, sakit sa ano. Tingin. Yun ah. Ito may pwede. Okay. Me, say hi. Anong message mo kasi ang layo narating natin? Me, say hi. Anong message mo kasi ang layo narating natin? Me, saan next stop natin? After nun. Kamay na. Me, saan next stop natin? After nun. Kamay na. Ganda na ito kaso akala ko coach, tapos nakita ko pangit na. Kung gusto mong pakamatay, ganito na lang gawin mong bag. Naghahanap na ako ng bag para next year, pero kala mo na talaga bibili.
Malapit sa kantin. Bakit ano? Bakit? Tingnan si Paula. Ngarat na ngarat. Aalis ng fresh o uwi ng haggard. Walang pasok si Kim. Pumasok na. Nung pumasok ako kanina, katatapasan namin mag
Say hi. Ay, kabigyan mo ko.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hawak ka. Harap ka na. Dun. Harap dun.
Hello, this is me, Paula's, and my right there Frankie's phones. And then this is dear Frankie.
Baliktad.
Huh?
Landscape, yes.
So we are going to groceries of our mama, Tina, and my mama. Right there, Frankie? She's not asking because I don't know. I don't know why she's not talking. That's why I don't know. So guys, we are shopping now. This is our shopping cart. This is the Frankie walking. And then she's gonna hold the camera.
Naaint.
Okay. I think she just talk it just like that. Hey, dear Frankie. Okay. And now we're gonna push the cart. Martina, there's Oreos. Mama, 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 there's Oreos.
Oh, ito.
Here we go, dear Frankie.
From you, extra, extra, read all about it. Magazines, feelings, and you can't get out of it. Extra.
Ito ka nga. Isa pa. Gawin mo yung ginawa mo kanina. Oh. Isa pa. Oh. Isa pa. Sakit? Ay, ito pa. Ito pa yun. May wall dito. May wall dito. Aray!
Galing ako na.
Hindi. Kunwari nabangga ka.